In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users in Asana. Inviting the right people into your Asana workspace is one of the simplest ways to make your projects more collaborative and easier to manage. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your teammates get proper access. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're on any main page, like your home screen, a project, or your inbox. The exact page doesn't really matter as long as you can see the top navigation bar. What you're looking for is your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is usually a small circle with your initials or a profile photo in it, placed near the notification bell and help icons. Move your cursor up to that area and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where Asana keeps a lot of personal and workspace settings, but for now, we're focused on bringing new people into your environment. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Invite to Asana. The wording may be very similar depending on your version, but it will clearly reference inviting people. Go ahead and click on Invite to Asana. This opens up the invite window, which is where everything related to adding new users happens. Once the invite window appears, you'll see on-screen prompts that guide you through the process. Typically, you'll be asked to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type in their work email addresses carefully, separating them if you're adding more than one person. Some Asana setups also let you add a short message. If that option is available, it's a good idea to include a friendly note explaining why you're inviting them, what project they'll be working on, or what you expect them to do once they join. As you follow the prompts, you may also see options to specify which team or workspace they should join, or what kind of access they'll have. Take a moment to choose the settings that make the most sense, so people only see the projects that are relevant to them. When everything looks good, confirm and send the invitations. Asana will email your invitees with a link to join. Once they accept, they'll appear in your workspace and you can start assigning them tasks, sharing projects, and collaborating in real time.